All right, let's go over how to draw Bob the Minion. It's gonna be easy, step by step, and for beginners, but you can either follow along with me or you can just kind of watch, because there's definitely a lot of learning in watching. So, all right, let's get started, okay? I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna start with the eyes. Like he has, draw like a circle as well as you can. All right, it doesn't have to be like perfect or anything, don't worry about it. A circle right here on this side. Try to make it like just roughly the same size. Like I said, don't worry about like, I wouldn't worry too much about like making it perfect or anything like that. Okay, but just if it's close enough. Now I'm gonna kind of trace the outside right here. Curve underneath. And right here. I didn't even know the Minion, I mean, forgive me, I have a cough still. I knew the Minions had names, but I didn't know they specifically have, I mean, I don't know. I never learned the Minions' names till recently, so. Curve right here in the inside. Curve right here. Curve right here on the inside. And curve right here. Let's do a circle. Circle here. Another circle. There's a lot of circles in this Minion. Another circle right there for the highlights. And I'm gonna draw a dot right here for the center of the eye as well. But to be honest, I guess, yeah, sure, let's do it. You can kind of fill in that whole thing with black, but it's fine. So now we got, to be honest, this is really the hardest part of the entire drawing. So if you did that already, or you just watched it or whatever, like that is probably the hardest part of the whole drawing. Everything else from here is gonna be super easy. It's gonna be an easy downhill. By the way, don't forget, hit the like button if you like learning how to draw this stuff. If you like learning how to draw, and I put out 3 videos every single day. Hit that subscribe, click that bell notification. I put out so many videos per week. So many, just to, you know, help you guys learn or entertain you guys. So, all right, let's go over here. Line. I'm gonna start my Patreon today. I'm gonna put up, you know, a lot of stuff that I work on just for myself. And over here, down. Over here, down. Go over here, and now I'm gonna trace over the top of the head, but it's gonna be pretty flat. It's gonna be pretty close. Curve right there. Go over here, pull down. Smile. Right there, it's that little smile, like, yeah, what up? And now we're gonna draw a line across, okay? Across here. And the suspenders are gonna come in the side over here. So I'm gonna draw a line out here, down, line out there. Same thing on this side. Looks like Scotch tape or something, right? It's just this thing that's popping out from the side right there. Circle, circle, down, down, curve over here, line down, okay, line out, curve, and he's got like a pill form, so we could even draw it all the way through. Nah, I'm not gonna draw all the way through though. For now, I'm gonna leave it like this. His feet are kind of toward the middle right here, so I'm gonna already start this before I even complete that line. So right there, right there, right there, right there. Just these lines, right? See how simplistic those lines are? All of these minions are made to be that simplistic, and that's a good thing, you know? Line across, curve, curve, curve. Okay. Doing good so far? You alright? Chill? Everything's pretty simplistic. Alright, let's go over here to the arms on this side. Curve. Line over here for the glove area. Down. Curve right here. And you can draw his fist right here on that side. Okay. Line over here. Up. Out. Out over here. And the fist on this side. And line there. We're gonna connect these lines now. Right there. And then connect the middle for the feet. Line out here, I mean, you know, straight line across, and then down over here, curve up. Down over here, curve up for the shoes. So we're gonna do something else because we're pretty much done. I might throw like another line right here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw a thicker line. You know, I've done this before. Actually, I'll draw even a darker line over here. You can kind of darken it up right there to kind of create focus. But what I'm really going to do here is I'm going to draw a slightly thicker line on the border of this minion. Curve underneath. Again, I'm just kind of putting that border. The reason I'm doing that is it kind of reads better and it gives the audience just a better, how do you say? It gives the audience, like, I don't know what it is. It's like, it's just easier to understand when you throw a slightly thicker line on the outside of it. And I don't know why that is. Line over here. All right. That's pretty much it. If you enjoyed that video, like I said, hit that subscribe. You can also throw like maybe a thicker line in here to kind of create more, you know, more like focus. You don't have to, but you know, I recommend it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. That was Bob from the Minions. If you want me to draw other Minions, let me know in the comment section. I will absolutely make it happen. Thank you so much. I'll see you later.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.